Ever wondered how AI tools like chatbots or image generators actually work? It's not magic, it's a mix of clever coding and something called prompt programming. But here's the twist. Even experts are struggling to figure out the best way to tweak these prompts. A new study is uncovering the hidden challenges, and it's changing how we think about AI development. Let's break it down. So what's a prompt program? Think of it like a digital recipe. Instead of writing code, developers craft instructions in plain language for AI models. Need a summary. Write a prompt. Want an image. Another prompt. But here's the problem. These prompts are constantly changing. And when they do, developers are left guessing. The study found that programmers ask 51 different questions when tweaking prompts, like, why did this version behave oddly? Or how do these changes compare? But here's the kicker. 16 of those critical questions have no answers from today's tools. It's like trying to cook a meal without a recipe book or a way to track your mistakes. To understand why, researchers did something smart. They watched developers at work. They interviewed 16 programmers, observed 8 as they debugged prompts, and surveyed 50 others. What did they find? A list of 25 key tasks, like understanding why a prompt failed or tracking changes over time. For example, where is this prompt in my project? What's the trade-off between speed and accuracy here? Why did the AI ignore my input? But here's the reality. Everything is done manually. No tools help developers find old prompts, compare versions, or even explain why a change didn't work. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. So what's the solution? The study highlights huge opportunities for better tools. Imagine a system that automatically suggests prompt improvements, flags conflicting instructions, or even predicts how a change might affect results. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're necessary as AI becomes more central to software development. The next time you use an AI tool, remember, behind the scenes, developers are navigating a complex puzzle. This research isn't just about fixing tools. It's about shaping the future of how we work with AI. What do you think the next big breakthrough in prompt programming will be? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore more about AI, coding, or the science behind tech, hit that subscribe button. See you next time. Let's rewind a bit. Back in 2006, researchers studied how programmers ask questions when fixing software. They found that developers often cycle through trial and error, tweaking their queries until they get the right answer. Fast forward to 2022, and scientists are building tools that let users visualize and refine their prompts interactively, like a dashboard for AI instructions. It's like giving coders a toolkit to fine-tune their requests in real time. Here's where it gets really interesting. A 2025 study analyzed how prompts evolve in real-world software projects. They discovered that developers don't just write a single prompt and call it a day. They iterate, adapt, and even combine multiple prompts to tackle complex tasks. It's a lot like writing a recipe. You might start with a rough draft, then adjust measurements or ingredients based on what works. But wait, what if you're not an AI expert? A 2023 study revealed that non-technical users often struggle to craft effective prompts. Think of it as trying to explain a joke to a robot. The setup has to be just right, or the punchline falls flat. To solve this, researchers are building tools like Promptchainer and AI Chains, which break down complex tasks into step-by-step prompts, making AI more accessible to everyone. Now here's the kicker. While commercial tools cover most tasks, 16 out of 51 critical questions remain unanswered. That means even the best tools are missing the mark on what developers actually need. The study's authors aren't just pointing out flaws, they're offering actionable solutions. Imagine a future where AI doesn't just follow instructions, but guides users toward ethical, reliable outcomes. This isn't just about better tools, it's about redefining how humans and machines collaborate. As AI becomes more integrated into our workflows, the ability to craft effective prompts will shape everything from software development to scientific research. The next time you interact with an AI, remember, you're part of a larger conversation about how we teach machines to think and how they in turn teach us. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the frontier of AI. See you next time.